Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Paneer Paratha. Parathas are made with different stuffings all over India. Paneer Paratha is one of them. In this recipe I have prepared the paneer stuffing in a different way, and this way the paratha turns out to be super delicious. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. First let's make the dough. In a bowl take 2 cups of atta or whole wheat flour and half teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix. Add water and knead into a soft dough. After the dough is formed, apply 1 teaspoon of oil and knead for 2 more minutes. Our dough is formed now. Cover and keep aside for 30 minutes. Let's prepare the stuffing. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a kadai. To that add half teaspoon of cumin seed. Grate half inch of ginger and add. Then add 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, 2 chopped green chillies and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 chopped onions. Saute till the onions turn translucent. Then add 2 cups of grated paneer and salt as per taste. Also add half teaspoon of red chilli powder and half teaspoon of Garam Masala. Mix everything well. Cook the paneer till it's semi-dry, otherwise the paratha will break. Allow it to cool down. Now take a portion of the dough and make a ball. Flatten it a little using your fingers. Press the edges so that they are thin. Now place the prepared stuffing on the center. Close and seal the edges like so. Sprinkle a little bit of flour. Roll it into a semi-thick paratha. Now place it on a hot tawa. Cook from both sides. Apply oil or ghee on both sides and cook it. Flip and cook from both sides well. Our paratha is perfectly cooked now. Prepare all the parathas like this and serve it hot with curd and pickle. So our delicious paneer paratha is ready now. Paneer paratha is a great breakfast option and you can make it so easily if the stuffing is already available at home. The dough we made is a normal roti dough, so you can reuse it. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.